Hello Doctor Who fans and Doctor Who reviews. Welcome to part 3 of my 11th Doctor's box set. Now today I will be reviewing number 5, 6 and 7. So then, well, this Doctor was released in wave 1, which I couldn't manage to get, but that doesn't matter about that now. But let's start off with an accessory it comes with, which is his sonic screwdriver. Now, when I got this figure in the pack and the sonic screwdriver, I thought, oh, it's the exact same thingy on the prototyping images. It's the exact same sonic screwdriver. But when I compared it to my other Sonic, it looks a lot differenter actually. So I love the sonic screwdriver, just how it was with Peter Davison. Give it a very well earned 10 out of 10. So that's the end of the sonic screwdriver. Now going on to Peter Davison's articulation. The arms at the shoulder can spin 360 degrees. The head can spin side to side from 360 degrees there. See 360 degrees there. At the waist 360 degrees. Can move, nearly do the splits. Can nail down. And that's it for articulation. So when you get this figure, which you've already got it, feel it there. It feels really cool, like the 4th Doctor feeling there, and the 11th Doctor in his tweed jacket feeling there. So, yeah. So, first I'll say that this figure's perfect. It's going to be a quick one because all of you should have it by now. It's the exact same one, but with the celery. Hooray! It's my first Peter Davison with the celery. Now, how you put the sonic screwdriver into the hand, it's the exact same as I showed you last time with the 4th Doctor. You get that bit, yank it in there. That's it. So I love this Peter Davison figure, and I give it a very, very, very well earned 10 out of 10. Very quick review on that. Now I'm going to review my Colin Baker figure. So, as you can see, this Colin Baker is very nicely detailed, but except for one thing. He looks pretty pale. Now I'm just going to go and get my other Colin Baker figure. Be back in a minute. Sorry about that wait. Now here's my other Colin Baker figure. Its pink is a lot darker than this one, as you can see. Now there's very noticeable difference here. Hair's a lot blonder than that hair. And as I was saying, he's very pale compared to this one. He's just normal, but I don't know why it's so pale. It's quite strange, really. But I don't know what episode it's based on, but it's got really sparkly, and everyone knows Colin Baker is the worst Doctor you could possibly get. Have I reviewed him? I might review him. I have nothing else to review. But the Colin Baker figure is just quite nice actually. Even though he's a rubbish Doctor, it's got his cat there and that cat there, and this one has different there. If you look on the back, you can see very noticeable differences. This one has purple lines coming down. This one is black. So, oh, by the way, out of 10, I give the Peter Davison figure 10 out of 10. So this Colin Baker, really nice. So I'll give it pretty rubbish Doctor. He's got the stars, but looks like just a few splodges. But you know, oh well. Just put him back there. As we all know, Colin Baker's clothes are rubbish. And probably character options because it's the hardest clothes to make. So I'll give this figure probably a very well earned 10 out of 10. He's a rubbish Doctor, but you know, perfect though. But now going on to my Sylvester McCoy figure. Now first I'll review his accessory, his umbrella, just the exact same as question mark. But there's one thing, you know this circly bit here? It's meant to be a weeny little black line which leads up to there, which is quite bad. It's a very rubbery plastic still. Give it a very well earned 10 out of 10 once again. So now I'm going to get my other Sylvester McCoy, which comes in Remembrance of the Daleks pack, who I reviewed quite a while back on my first action figure review. When I had long hair, now I have short hair, as you can see. Now, then, it's the exact same as the one with TARDIS. Now, I'm not going to do a long one, because if I get the 7th Doctor in TARDIS, I'm going to do quite a long one looking at him. But the thing is that, can it do it? Can it seriously do it? Yes. This one, removable, as you can see. Hello. Now, this is it. Yes. It's removable. You can plonk his head onto that. Very nice. Yes. This is the big bit. Fits on. So very nicely. There it is. It's him. Just very nice, actually. Very nice. I love it. It's Sylvester McCoy with his hat off. Yes, it can do it, if you're wondering. So, move him back. And if you're wondering, Sylvester McCoy is one of my favourite Doctors. Now if you want to put in the umbrella in, get his hand there, put it in like so, and we've got Sylvester McCoy. Now, I give Sylvester McCoy a very, very, very well earned 10 out of 10. Once again. They've all been 10 out of 10s, these Sylvester McCoys. All these Doctors. See you next time, and I'll be reviewing the 8th Doctor. And that's the highlights of the 11th Doctor's box set. So, bye!